Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create a brand awareness campaign inside our Snapchat ads account. So once we log into the account, we can start creating a new campaign, which will be for awareness and engagement. We can start. So now we'll get two options. One is automatic clicks campaign, which is like a automated campaign, which you can consider, or a manual build campaign, which is where you can provide the information yourself. So what we suggest is to start off with if you're new to Snapchat ads, you can certainly try automatic clicks campaign, which can automate the whole process, make it much easier for you to run campaigns or run ads. But if you really want to learn the platform, understand it, control the whole campaign yourself, then manual build will be a better choice. So now you can start building out your campaign by giving all the details. So like the first is name of the campaign. Then we can give the stats, which is the start date, end date of the campaign. You want to start today or later, you can do that. Once we provide all this information, then we move to the next level, which is the ad set level. At the ad set level, you can first give a name to it. You can also set up the pixel if you want to, the conversion tracking setup. It is not mandatory at this stage. Then you decide the performance goal. So we are looking for brand awareness, which is primarily we want to show our ads to millions of people, as many people as possible. We just want to show our ads. So that is when you can use maximize number of impressions, which is the ideal bidding option, or you can say performance goal. You can choose auto bid or max bid as per your requirement. Auto bid is an automated bidding strategy where the Snapchat algorithm will decide what bid it should be paying for showing the ads every 1,000 times. Or you can do a max bid as well, where you set the bid yourself. So you can say in this manner that you're going to pay 100 rupees for every 1,000 impressions. Then you can set the budget for this particular ad set. Okay, so you can give the ad set over here budget, which is a daily budget, or you can give a lifetime budget as well. And then you give a start date, end date. You can go ahead and do the automatic placements here as well. This again has options wherein if you want to make some changes to the placements where the ads are going to appear, then you can do so. Otherwise, we leave it as automatic placement so that the ads can run across all of Snapchat platform. Then comes locations. So geographical locations, which we can target here. Okay, so you want to add more locations, you can do it in this manner. Demographics, which we can set as well. So if we have any specific demographics we are looking for, we can do that also. You can also give the gender and language if you want to set. In most of the cases, we want to keep the language to be open for all kind of languages which we would like to target. Then you have the audiences. Okay, so this is where your audience targeting happens. So there are various categories which Snapchat has created based on the kind of people which comes on Snapchat on a regular basis. So these are all the categories which are there. Now related to your business, you can search and see if you find any particular category here. Let's say we're looking for marketing now. Okay, so now you can go ahead and have a look at all these categories which make sense for you, and then you can add. So you can see this is our audience targeting, which we have done. You also have an option for custom audiences, which you can attach. So if you have your own audience, people who come to your website and you've collected their data, that can work like a custom audience, which you can attach as well. Other than this, you have devices. So here you can also decide the devices which you want to target based on operating systems. So let's say I just want to do iOS and Android. And then you have device makers as well, which you can select from. Or you can, if you don't select, then all the devices will be selected by default. Connections is basically internet service providers. So you want to connect have select that as well, and carriers as well, which you can select from here. If you don't touch this segment, it means that it will target all devices, all carriers, all connections. Then you have the delivery. So if you want to set a frequency cap is primarily the number of times you want to show your ad to the same user. So we can set that as well. So let's say we want to show the ad 5 times in 7 days. So you can do like that as well. And once you have all of this mentioned, this is all at the ad set level we have done. Then we move next to our ad level. This is where we can create the ad, guys. So we can give it a name. And then let's say we are creating a single image ad. So we can choose the creative as well, upload the creative from here. In this particular manner, let's say this one is what we want. You can upload the image, plus you will have to provide a background music for it as well. As you can see. And these are some of the option sample music which you can add from here. You can see this is how the music is going to be. You can choose the various options, and then based on what you like, you can add. So this is our creative getting created over here. The ad which we have created, we have taken the image, we have chosen the video as well. So the is working in this particular manner. Then you can give the headline. Brand name, okay. In this particular manner. Lastly, you have to give the destination URL, okay. Any call to action, which you can say, okay. Let's say we want to keep it as view. We want people to have a look at it. If you want to give any message design as well, which you want to do, you can do that, or you can switch that off. And then the delivery, okay. So delivery is going to be how the ads will be shown, so that we can define here. So these are all the details which we are filling up at the ad level, and then we can review. So we can review the campaign once, understand what we have created here. This is a awareness campaign which we have created. If everything looks fine, then we can move forward to publish. Once the campaign gets published, it will go under checking. So Snapchat ads team will check your ads. Once they approve your ads, then it will go live. So now you can see it's under review, as it said. This is our campaign which we have created now. So let's have a look at this. This is our awareness campaign created now, okay? And this has gone under review. Once it is approved, then the ads can go live. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand now how brand awareness campaign can be built on the Snapchat ads platform.